Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your text bigger on a Snapchat in just a few seconds. So let's get started. Close the Snapchat if it's open and then swipe down from your right hand side of your screen to open the control center. Now press and hold any empty areas and then tap on add a control. Just like that, you can go and simply look for text size in the list and then add it to the control center. After you have added it, here you will then be able to find it. Now after that, open up your Snapchat application and then swipe down again to open the control center. Now you can go ahead and simply use the slider to increase the text size as much you want. And just like that, your Snapchat text will appear bigger. And that's it. That is how you can increase your font size on Snapchat easily. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.